Hi everyone, welcome to Power BI Playbook. So today I'm going to show you how to create a dynamic date slicer that is more like a customized date slicer to show only the months with the data. So we want to avoid the months which does not have the data. So let's see the problem and how to solve that. So this is my data source. As you can see, this data source has a date field and profit sales. That's the data. So which ending up on December and starting from March. So data is on March to December. This does not have data from January and February. So that is the data source. Now if you go to Power BI Visual Pane, now I add a date slicer and I add the date slicer here. So in this date slice, as you can see, the date is current. I mean, the date values are shows accordingly based on the data it presents in the tables. So we have data from March to December, which is correct. So now I add another date slicer and I add the data to this one the same way, right? So I add year and month. So in here, if you drop it down, so you have the data, you have the values of January, February as well. So basically, I want to create a slicer which the same type of a slicer which does not have January and February, and it has to have data from March to December. So that is what we are going to achieve. And also I add a sales value. So let's say if I select January, it does not show any data because it does not have any data, right? So that also one of the observations. So I want to get rid of this January and February in this slides. So in order to do that, so I create few columns. One is I need to create year. So I extract the year from this, and then I create another one. I take month name, month name is comes. So now I go to visual pane again. Again, I put a date slider here, and then I drop the newly created columns into that. So year and then month name. Now if you drop it down, so as you can see now only 10 months are displaying here, starting from March to March to December. So that is how we create a customized date slicer to get rid of the months which does not have data, right? So if you want to sort this, you can use the customized sorting method in order to get the months accordingly. So this is the tutorial today, and keep in touch with the new videos. Thank you.